Yeah, the truth is coming out now. The truth is coming out. I beg, my Bini people, come and watch this video, especially for those of you who doesn't know their source. Come and watch this video. Watch this video. I won't explain what is inside the video for you. I want you to watch it yourself. And as you are watching it, please help me to share as well. Let's go there.
Then, as it used to be called, to settle some rancors. And of course, in the process, he left. He succeeded in the ambassadorial assignment given to him. And he left his son, Owomika. So, and of course, you are children of Oromiyan. And Oromiyan, came from here. And so that's why we want to welcome you home. This is your home. Once again, I welcome your children from Edo Kingdom, one of the kingdoms that you created as the Aruli Udua, are here on a very important and historic visit to their father. And they are here, of course, in respect of a big project or a big program that they want to organize very soon, coming up. And the team is being led by eminent chiefs in Edo Kingdom, Kabis. Ambassador Uwacho is here, who was mandated by the father to lead the delegation. And I will call him, Kabis, to tell us why they are here. Ambassador Uwacho, can you please come?
Your Imperial Majesty, I might not know the full titles, but from birth we have been told, because I come from the royal family in Bini, but I'm not here to trace my family history. But we have always. But before I just finish, in order not to take a long time, I want to delve into a little about our ancestors, about what I know a little bit about Ife. I know that he said, your head of media, he said Bini was known as Ile Binu then. But I want to correct him. Bini was not known as Ile Binu. It was Oromiyan that gave that name to the Binis. He said these people are too angry. They are too angry. You cannot deal with them. You cannot work with them. He said, so these people, these people, this town, they are too angry. Ile Binu, and the white people corrupted it to Bini. Yes, so I just wanted to correct that. And himself, he married to a Bini woman. They made war when he came. They made war against him. And the war was led by Chief Ogiamie. But in the end, the Bini nobles and everybody supported Oromiyan, and they defeated Chief Ogiamie. And Oromiyan married a Bini lady. And the Bini lady gave birth to a son. I won't call his name here, a son. And that son was deaf and was dumb when he was born. He could not speak. He could not say anything. But he used to like this native like drafts. I don't know how to call it. Akwe. But Akwe we call it in Benin. But in English, I don't know how to call it because English is dynamic. So they used to play that thing. So one day, they all sat, they were playing that thing. And when they were playing it, somehow he threw his own. And his own came out
Correction there.
Yes.
The young man was not talking, he was dumb as a matter of fact.
Yes.
When the Benin saw that the young man is good enough to talk and he couldn't talk, they sent message to our father here.
Yeah,
who told the messenger that, okay, since he's the one who gave them the apple. Yeah. We were playing it in Benin, but he gave one particular one. Say, go and give it to the young man you are talking about. If he throw it, he will talk. By the time they said the apple, even the lady that he gave birth, that gave birth, is a daughter to what's the one who say? He's the one that gave birth to that child. So after coming back home, they said the same apple again. They gave the one they brought from here. They gave it to him.
They gave to him.
When he throw it, he goes straight to one, because when you set it, you will say this is the king here. Then you will set it. You will set another one. That is the king there. One. That one will be left alone. He throw his own. He go and hit the king there. He said, Owamika.
Yes, that means, yeah, Owamika, that means I am taking charge. And that is what started, he gave birth to the first son, and that is what started the dynasty, the Oba dynasty that we still have in Bini today. And Owamika became Egweka. The English corrupted it to Egweka the first. So when Ovorame was taken to Calabar, and with all the fracas and everything and so on, his first son now was taken to be the next king. And he felt that he should continue in the same dynasty. And he gave himself the title, or rather, the oracle gave him the title Egweka II. And Egweka II is the father of Oba Akenzua, and then Oba Akenzua is the father of Ediawa, and Ediawa is the father of the present Egware Ogidigan II. So I just wanted to throw that. So the thing is, Ife has always been synonymous with Benin. And as far as I'm concerned, I don't care the propaganda, internet, whatever anybody is saying. We know our history. And as far as we are concerned, when I was coming here, I knew I was coming to meet my father. So I was very comfortable. So I just want to say on our behalf, sir, we came to invite you for our program Patriots Award on Sunday.